ease of using the software compared to other softwares that I've used has been really helpful to know. So I actually might really consider even downloading it and using it for our business as well. Yeah.
That's one feature, like it's very, I can just go and drag and drop, and the drag and drop part is very easy. That's what I like about it most.
The one thing I like most about it is like I need to sign NDAs more frequently for my clients. So when I receive the PDF files, I need to print it and then rescan it to send it to my clients. So it has a signature feature. It's very easy and very good, so that I can use it for my clients.